Hi, my name is Maria Victoria Cedeño, and I'm your tourist agent. Today, I want to invite you to know the city of my dreams, Rome. This is a fantastic place where you can find activities to do with the whole family. First, I recommend to visit the Vatican City. The Vatican City is a small city that is located in the center of the Rome. There is the Pope Francisco home, and a jewel of the architecture and art. For example, the roof of the Sixtine Chapel was painted by Miguel Angel. Second, after making the tour of the Vatican, if you have hungry, you can go to taste the famous antipasti, like a bruschetta, supli, or a fioru di zucca, are typical Roman snacks that you can not miss. Next, you can visit the Trevi Fountain. It is of the most representative piece of Baroque art. There you can walk, so you enjoy and take many photos. And if you want, you can throw a coin of the fountain. According to the legend, you ensures you return to this beautiful city. Finally, for a fabulous rest, a waste, you in the hotel of your choice, where you will find comfortable beds to sleep comfortably, room service if you prefer, and the best view. The best time of year to travel is summer, through the months of July to August. The average temperature is 22 to 24 degrees centigrade. Plus, you don't have to carry too much baggage. Don't miss it. Go to Rome. Thank you.